In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google ReCaptcha to Webflow 2026 plus bonus tip. By the end, you'll have a Webflow site that can filter out bots and reduce spam submissions without adding friction for real visitors. We'll walk through where to turn it on, how to connect your Google keys, and how to place the ReCaptcha inside your form so it actually works on the live site. First, open your Webflow dashboard and head into the project you want to protect. From there, go to the site settings. This is where global features live, and it's the right place to connect services that your whole project will rely on. Next, open the Apps and Integrations area. This is where you enable ReCaptcha for the site. You'll see fields for a site key and a secret key. These come from your Google ReCaptcha admin console. If you haven't created them yet, register your domain in Google, choose the ReCaptcha type that matches what you plan to use in Webflow, and copy the two keys. Make sure the allowed domain in Google exactly matches where the form will live, including www or any subdomain. Back in Webflow, paste the site key and the secret key into their fields, save your changes, and give it a moment to apply. This activation step is essential. Without it, the ReCaptcha element in your forms won't validate on publish. After that's enabled, go to your forms. In the Webflow Designer, open the page with your form and select the form block. Add the Google ReCaptcha element to the form. Place it where you want visitors to see it, typically just above the submit button. If you have multiple forms across your site, add the ReCaptcha element to each one. Publish your site and test a live submission to confirm everything is verified. If you don't see the checkbox or badge, double check that your domain is correctly added in Google. Clear your cache and make sure no extensions are blocking scripts. Here's a quick bonus tip to make setup smoother. Match the ReCaptcha version you created in Google with what you're using in Webflow, and use site test keys in a non-production environment while you build. If your audience is global, choose a theme and size for the widget that stays readable on mobile. And if spam still sneaks through, combine ReCaptcha with Webflow's built-in form protections and simple logic checks like honeypot fields. Save your changes, publish, and you're done. Congratulations. Your Webflow forms are now protected with Google ReCaptcha,